In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open project settings in Jira. If you've ever tried to update a workflow, adjust permissions, or change issue layouts inside a Jira project, you probably know that the hardest part is sometimes just finding the right settings panel. The good news is that Jira keeps project-specific administration tools close to the project itself. So once you know where to look, getting there is quick and straightforward. To begin, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira Cloud workspace. You can do that by going to your organization's Atlassian site or by logging in through the Atlassian sign-in page. Once you're signed in and the main Jira dashboard has loaded, look across the top of the screen for the global navigation bar. This is where you'll access the main areas of your workspace. Next, head to the Projects menu near the upper left area of the top navigation. Click it once to open the drop-down list, then choose the project you want to manage. If you don't see it right away, select View All Projects instead. That will open the full project list where you can browse or search for the correct one and then open it. After the project loads, you'll be inside that project's main workspace. Depending on the type of project, you may see a board, backlog, timeline, or another project view. Now shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This panel contains your project's local navigation options, including things like backlog, sprints, and reports. It's also where the project level administration area is usually found. Scroll down to the bottom of that left sidebar and look for project settings. It's typically marked with a gear icon, making it easier to spot. Click it once and Jira will switch you into the project administration area. This is the main control panel for managing settings related specifically to that project. If you're already working inside a board and want a faster route, there's also an alternative shortcut. In the top right corner of the board view, click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down that appears, select Board Settings. Once you're there, look for the option that says View Project Settings. That link takes you directly into the same project settings area, without needing to scroll through the main sidebar first. Once the panel opens, take a moment to confirm that the available sections have loaded correctly. You should see areas such as details, permissions, or access, features, and issue types. If those options are visible, that usually means you have the necessary level of access to manage the project and begin making changes confidently. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.